What's up, YouTube? Alright, so today I'm going to show you about these Beats Studios. Pretty ridiculous, can't stand them so far because I bought them used. And so here we go. I'm going to hold this button down here and we're going to do a factory data reset. We're going to do it for about 10 seconds, so we got about 8 more to go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's probably enough right there. Okay, well, so the red light indicates that I'm done it right, and if it's not updated, or if it's not factory data reset, and it still doesn't work after that, which this one will not, because I've already tried it, we're going to do a firmware update. So now there's how to do the factory data reset. If you want to know the firmware update, we're going to show you that in the next video. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe, because this is how me and my people survive. Really, this is how me and my family survive. So if you guys donate $1, $2, it don't matter what it is, it's all going to help. We really, and I thank every one of you guys for liking, subscribing, sharing. That helps a lot. So, you know, even that, you know, is just enough. I just try to throw it out there, you know, so it's a possibility. You know, closed mouth doesn't get fed is what they always said. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful